Hi and welcome back to Real Life Clean Living. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for a salad dressing that I've been using on almost all of my salads recently. It's creamy, it's got a little bit of a cheesy flavor to it, and it's perfect on any salad, trust me. And if you want to learn more about living a plant-based lifestyle, watch tips and tutorials on how you can live a life with purpose, subscribe now and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Once you try this salad dressing, trust me, you're gonna want to eat a salad. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with some apple cider vinegar, coconut aminos, some organic unsalted tahini. Now you can use any kind of nut butter, but I've found that tahini is the most mild, so it's the best for this kind of recipe. But I have tried peanut butter. I wouldn't really recommend almond butter, but any peanut butter or a nut butter should do. A little bit of garlic, and of course, some Nooch, nutritional yeast. Oh yeah. So when we combine this dressing, we want to do equal parts of all the wet ingredients. So here, I'm taking 3 tablespoons of tahini, apple cider vinegar, and the coconut aminos. And then I want to double it up on the nutritional yeast. I used 3 tablespoons of the wet ingredients of each, and now with the nutritional yeast, I want to do 6 tablespoons. I know that is super crazy, but that's what makes this super cheesy and super good. And then add a little bit of garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon. And then mix it all together. Once you mix it together, it's gonna be pretty thick, just like this. I've added a little bit of water just to kind of thin it out. Now, adding water is really not gonna take away from the flavor of this. This is still gonna be pretty strong. The more water you add, the more runny it's gonna be, but that is actually good. You want it to be over runny. Why? Because once it sits in your refrigerator, it actually does thicken up. You don't want to add too much water, but you do want it a little bit more runny than usual. And then you can put together a salad real quick and top that bad boy with some dressing. Leave a comment below if you've tried a dressing like this. Try not to spill it like I did. And there you have it. A delicious recipe. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. This right here, this dressing right here is the best dressing I've ever had. Leave a comment below if you like this kind of salad dressing. And if you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you checking out the channel. And as always, stay real and stay clean, and I'll see you next time.